To God be the glory, great things he has done. Hey friends, this is To God Be the Glory, and this is in the key of C. It's a simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you love the simplicity of it. I've tried to strip out a lot of the complex chords for you. Make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense. All right, so in this song, we have 4 chords that I'm going to teach you. We have C, D, F, and G, okay? So for the sake of simplicity, let's just start with the group of 2 black notes. Find your thumb on that C note and play every other note, and that's C, E, G, okay? I'm going to move those other fingers out of the way for you, okay? So that's C chord. That's it for that one. If you move up one set of notes, you're in the D position, and then we're just going to pick up this black note in the middle. So it's D, F sharp, A, and it kind of has this triangle shape. Okay, so that's the only one in this song that has that shape. All right, and then let's move to this group of 3 black notes. The F note is right here. So play every other note, F, A, C, and that's our F chord. Okay, and then move up one set of notes, and we are playing the G, B, D, and that is our G chord. Okay, so just review. We got our C chord, our D, triangle, F, G, and that is it. All right, so let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand is going to be playing single notes down here, just keeping it simple. I'm going to keep my pinky on F and line up my 5 fingers and keep my hand here the whole song. Okay, so when I play the F, I'm going to play the F in the bass. F single note, G to G, okay, C to C, and then when I play that D triangle, I'm just going to open my thumb up one single note and play that. I don't want to move my hand out of position because then I lose where I'm at. So just open that thumb up real quick and play that D when we play the D triangle. Okay, so I'm going to play and sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we add in the vocals and the rhythm, and then we'll break down that rhythm for you. To God be the glory, great things he hath done. He loved the world that he gave us his Son, who yielded his life an atonement for sin, and opened the life gate that all men go in. All may go in. Sorry, I get to focusing on the chords and then I forget the words. Okay, so let's break down the rhythm. This song is written in 3/4 time signature. It's a pretty traditional hymn. And so the rhythm works really well with 1-to-3 ratio. And what I mean by that is we're going to play both hands together, then just 2 more beats here. Together, right, right. Together, right, right. Together, right, right. So if we practice that on the C chord, together, right, right. Together, right, right, and so on. Okay, so you could stop the video and kind of practice that if you need to. All right, so let's walk through verse 1 together kind of slowly, and we're going to work through the chords together. So verse 1, 2, and 3 are the same chords for those 3 verses. So that is 3/4 of your song learned by just learning verse 1, okay? Then let's also look at any repetition that we see in our music. So lines 1 and 3 of the verses are the same. And then lines 2 and 4, you know, you have the F, C, and then they switch up a bit. But try to notice patterns in your music. It'll help take out that overwhelm for you. All right? Okay, so let's start with that C chord together. And if you just want to do right hand only as you're working through this, that is another great thing to do. All right, so let's do that. To God be the glory great. Here's the G chord. Things he has, C chord, done, C, so F chord, loved he the, C chord, world that he, here's that D triangle, and we're moving our thumb open one note, gave us his, back to the G, Son, who, C chord, yielded his life in a G, atonement for, C chord, sin, and F chord, open the, C, life gate that, G, all may go, back to the C, in. Okay, so when you're done with that verse, you're going into a C chord. You're coming off of a C, off of the verses, and then you can just start with the singing. Praise the Lord, let the earth hear his, G, voice. Praise the Lord, let the, C, people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through, G, Jesus the, okay, C chord here, Son, and F chord, give him the, C, glory great, G chord, things he hath, back to the C, done. Then it goes into, oh, perfect redemption. Okay, which is just, like I said, a repeat of verse 1. So I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can play along with me. Go back to the beginning of the tutorial if you need some more help. I encourage you to just play right hand only, then left hand only, then bring the two hands together. You can do it. If you find yourself messing up, just find your next place that you can hop in with me and keep going. You can do it. All right, let's go. To God be the glory, great things he has done. So loved he the world that he gave us his Son, who yielded his life in atonement for sin, and opened the life gate that all men go in. Praise the Lord, let the earth hear his voice. Praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give him the glory, great thing he has done. Oh, perfect redemption, the purchase of blood to every believer, the promise of God, the vilest offender who truly believes, that moment from Jesus a pardon receives. Praise the Lord, let the earth hear his voice. Praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give him the glory, great things he has done. Great things he has taught us, great things he has done, and great our rejoicing through Jesus the Son. But purer and higher and greater will be our wonder, our transport, when Jesus we see. Praise the Lord, let the earth hear his voice. Praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give him the glory, great things he has done, and give him the glory, great things he has done. To God be the glory, great things he has done. So loved he the world that he gave us his Son, who yielded his life